Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Thania and I film all kinds of girly, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos on this channel. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. For today's video, I'm going to be finally doing my room tour. You guys ask and ask and ask for a room tour. And the reality of that is that my room is never this spotless, but it's super spotless now, and there's still so many little things I wish that I could have done, like change the flooring and stuff, but I have not gotten to that, and I figure that's not going to stop me from doing this room tour. I feel like everybody probably says that. But anyway, today's video is also sponsored by Aloha. They have amazing bamboo sheets. So before we get started with the room tour, I'm going to show you guys a little clip of me and my boyfriend actually putting the sheets on my bed. They are so comfy and just so soft, and they feel so cooling every single time that you get into them. I don't know what it is, they feel incredible. My boyfriend and I put these sheets like a week ago, and we have been absolutely loving the sheets. Like, they are amazing, and you can feel the quality in the sheets. I think these are probably the best sheets that I have owned, so I would highly recommend them if you're looking for a new set of sheets for your bedding. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started with the room tour. Okay, so when you first walk in, there's a lot of light on this side of the room, and I'll show you guys why, but I'm gonna show you guys what's like around here when you first walk in first. So let's show them over here. Here I have this clothing rack. This is kind of what I use to plan out all of my outfits. So I have some outfits planned out for the week, and obviously I'm not planning to wear this as an outfit. This is just a really bougie robe that I got from Miami Styles, and I literally just use it as home decor. I used to have a dress form that I used to put it on, but I don't have that anymore, so it just sits on this clothing rack along with all my outfits for the week. And then over here I have a little table. So this is like my little workstation. I use it kind of like a desk slash little coffee shop nook. I make coffee, I sit here. I have some magazines here. This is the Allure magazine that I was in. Let me see if I can find it. This one, or was it?
The other one.
It's the other one? Well, this is not the one I was in. This is the one that they gave me whenever I went to do the Allure Incubator show. And then this right here is the one I was in. This is from last year. And there I am right there. I just keep these magazines here because, you know, memories. Right up here on this wall, as you guys can see, is my little collage that I made. I have a whole DIY video on my channel for this, along with a bunch of other really cute DIY ideas, so I'm going to link that down below for you guys. We have this side, and this is basically my purse shelf. I just keep my bags on this shelf, and it is already full to capacity, so I'm not planning on buying any more bags, at least until I get more storage. So this is like my little purse collection. I will do a whole other video explaining all the bags and everything if you guys would like. And I just keep some up a little bit. I just keep some boxes up there that my bags and shoes have came in before. And at the bottom is literally just junk. I keep dust bags and stuff in that Victoria's Secret bag. And I have some more of my boxes for my bags. Then we have my ring light that I use for filming. I usually have this put away, but I've been filming today, so it's out. I have my TV, and this is playing Gossip Girl right now, season 5. And then I decided to get a little bit festive, so right here on the TV stand I just have some cute little pumpkins and stuff that I got from Dollar Tree, and some little candles. Dollar Tree has really cute seasonal stuff, so I always go there first before I go spend more money like at Hobby Lobby and stuff. Just have some random bags. I have shopping bags everywhere. Hint, hint, I like to shop. This little jack-o'-lantern down here, this is also from Dollar Tree. And I have a candle. I didn't light it. I don't normally light this many candles. I literally did it just for the video. I normally light like 1 or 2. I have my beautiful antique mirror. I'm so obsessed with my mirror. This mirror I found at an antique shop, and I got a really good deal on it. I think I paid like $200 for it, and it came with the little stand at the bottom, so it makes it taller, so it doesn't sit like directly on the floor. It's this thing, and it has like this marble slab on top of it. It's where I do all of my outfit videos, take all of my outfit pictures, mirror pictures. And then we have this door. This is the door that leads to my closet, but that's still under construction, so you guys don't get to see that, unfortunately. But I got this little hook thing from Ross, and I just hang all of my robes here. Victoria's Secret shopping bags. Hint, hint, I like Victoria's Secret. Anybody looking to give me a present? Victoria's Secret. I go to this wall, and I originally had no idea what to do with this. I thought about doing like a mood board, but I felt like that would look a little kid-ish. So I wanted to do some decor up here. So we have this beautiful canvas right here. I can't wait to travel overseas. Oh, that's my dream, to just be here. Yeah. And then I have two of these beautiful candles. These are from, I found them at Ross, I think, and I got matching ones to go underneath both of the matching mirrors. And they smell so good. I've only lit them once. They smell amazing. I love these. I hope that they have more because I'm going to go stock up. Mirrors are from Hobby Lobby. They're really beautiful gold mirrors. They match my length mirror that's over there. And then we get to my bed. So on my bed, I always have my cats. They love lounging on the bed, especially this throw blanket that I got from Hobby Lobby. They love this because it's so soft. Hi, baby. And I have this little tray right here, and on this tray I just keep little decor things, and I put this for dramatic effect because I normally will put my coffee on this tray so it doesn't spill. And then I have my little goals journal and notebooks when I want to write something down because I work out of my bed a lot. Yeah, since I don't have like a proper office. I also got this cute little floral thing at what was that store called? Kirkland's. I have my pink little Instax camera. You never know when this will come in handy, so I just keep it there. Next we get to my bedding. All of the throw pillows, well actually not all of them. The two leopard ones are Hobby Lobby ones, and I literally recycled two old pillows to stuff these pillowcases. These leopard ones. This one was from Kirkland's, the sparkly one. Or maybe it was Ross, I can't remember. The two fluffy ones are from Ross, and then this one's also from Ross. I will link it down below. I just found it online. The sheets that I have are these white sheets, as you guys would have seen in the intro. These are bamboo sheets from a company called Kerry Loha. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's kind of like Aloha, Kerry Loha. And they are the softest, most cooling, most amazing sheets ever. Right here at the end of my bed, I just have my slippers that I use so that I don't get sick, even though I still forget to put them on and get sick. I completely forgot to show you guys, I have this like trunk at the end of my bed, and this holds like extra throw blankets, backdrops that I use for YouTube and YouTube stuff basically. And then I just keep my laptop right there. It's just a rose gold MacBook Air, and now they're fighting. What are y'all doing? Be nice! And we have my nightstand. All my furniture is antique, just so you guys know. And I refinished it, like I repainted all of it white with gold handles. And yeah, on my nightstands, I have some more DIY projects that I did. And then I just have a pumpkin cupcake candle. This is my favorite fall scent. Inside of my nightstand, the other one has junk, so I'm not going to show you that, but inside of my actual nightstand that I use, this is what I keep. So I have vitamins, thingies to floss, a lighter, masks because it gets so bright in here, some computer stuff that I use to edit, Bible books, my treatment that I use for my face from Curology, my glasses. I even have like mosquito spray. But yeah, that's what's in here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have a skylight thing. Is that what it's called? Yeah, so that's why it gets so bright in here on this side of the room. And I have my dresser. In this dresser I keep lots of clothes and stuff. I will show you guys a little example. So in this drawer I just have some of my like small leather goods and sunglasses and belts. There's all my sunglasses. Then I guess I forgot to tell you guys the dresser where my TV sits on top of. I got that at a thrift store actually. So on top of my dresser I keep this little mirror, and then I have my fragrances, which you guys saw in my perfume collection video. If you guys did not see that video, it will be linked down below as well. These little trays are literally from the Dollar Tree. I couldn't believe when I saw these because they look antique, and I had been wanting to get some of these for so long, but they are like $30 or more at a antique store. So I was happy to find these because they look just like the ones from the antique store. I keep all my body sprays and lotions on this one, and then all my actual perfumes on this one. And then I have my little mini ears that I got for when I went to Disney. And then I have a little candle. That candle is also from the Dollar Tree, as well as a little mirror plate it's sitting on top of. And then I have this over here, which was also part of my DIY video. And the little leaf is from Hobby Lobby. Then I have my YouTube plaque on this wall from when I hit 100K. Super proud of this. Top one has like pajamas. Then I have like shorts and skirts, which not all of them are in there. I need to do my laundry. Then on the bottom one I have pants that are not denim. Then in this one I have denim, which is super boring. So yeah, I have my bras. In this top one I have my panties. And then I have all my gym clothes. This is like gym tops. That really needs to be organized. And then I have all of my gym leggings in this one. So then we get to my shoe wall, and you guys always ask questions about this wall when you see it in videos or in pictures. This is my shoe wall. I just keep pretty much all my shoes on this wall. I also have more storage inside of these doors, which there are more shoes in those. And then I have this little trunk, which I will show you guys. I got this little trunk from Ross for like $20, and in here I have slippers, and those are my huge Hello Kitty ones I got when I went to Universal this summer. My shoe wall, I have a bottle of Moet from Valentine's, and I just keep that for like memories. There's nothing inside of it, but the bottle is just so pretty, and that was like mine and Manny's like first Valentine's Day, so I'm probably never gonna get rid of that, to be honest. And then I have some camera stuff here, my Victoria's Secret makeup bag, a coin bank. This is from, I believe, Z Gallery. Some more little shopping bags. Get to like my little accessory station right here. Right here I have my headbands on this little tray, and it's actually being held by a candle thing, but on top of it is like this little hole, and I just keep all my hair clips right here. My earring stand, this will be linked down below as well. I have my little bracelet slash watch holder. Most of the jewelry that I wear I just keep on me, so like my princess ring and my love bracelet are always on me. And I have like my only Chanel brooch. Super happy about this baby. This is so gorgeous, and it goes with so many things. This is my Michael Kors smartwatch, which I love. It's so pretty. And then over here I have this little stand, and I just hang like some necklaces on there. I don't wear too much jewelry, so you know, this is all I have. Yeah, and then I have some bracelets and stuff in here, just some miscellaneous stuff. And then down here I have all my Scentbird perfumes. And then we get to this side, and then behind here I just have a fanny pack and a Victoria's Secret like wristlet thing, and some antique gloves on this little tray that's from Hobby Lobby. And then I have this little box, and my friend Charlotte actually makes these, so I will link her Instagram down below if you guys are interested. But they are so pretty, and I literally just use it as decor. Here I have some winter stuff and some hats. So I have scarves and hats pretty much. Then I have a scarf hanging here, and then literally all of my shoes that you guys will see here. One of the cabinets, I literally just keep shoes inside these, like extra shoes that don't look as pretty displayed. I forgot to tell you guys, this mirror is from Walmart. I will link it down below if I can find it. Guys, that's everything for my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what was your favorite part of my room. Construction is starting up again, so I'm gonna let you guys go. If you stayed until the end, leave me this emoji right here. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.